Insurance is one of those financial tools that many people don't fully appreciate until they desperately need it. While it's easy to assume that insurance is just another monthly bill, the truth is that it serves as a powerful safety net against unexpected life events. Whether it's a car accident, a medical emergency, or a lawsuit, the right insurance policy can mean the difference between manageable disruption and financial ruin. With so many types of insurance available, it's essential to understand which ones are most important and what they actually cover. This video breaks down the top 10 types of insurance that every individual should be familiar with to protect themselves, their loved ones, and their assets. 1. Health insurance. Health insurance is arguably the most critical type of insurance because it covers the high costs of medical care. Whether you're dealing with routine checkups or life-threatening conditions, health insurance ensures you're not financially crippled by hospital bills, surgeries, prescriptions, or emergency room visits. In the U.S., the Affordable Care Act has made it easier to get insured through marketplaces, but many people still receive coverage through employers or public programs like Medicaid and Medicare. Understanding your policy's deductible, premiums, co-payments, out-of-pocket maximums, and what's in-network or out-of-network is essential for minimizing surprises when you need care. 2. Auto insurance. If you drive a car, auto insurance isn't just a good idea, it's a legal requirement in most states. It typically includes several types of coverage: liability, for damage you cause to others; collision, for damage to your car in an accident; and comprehensive, for damage from non-collision events like theft or weather. There's also uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage to protect you if the other driver has little or no insurance. Knowing how much coverage you need, what your deductible is, and whether you should carry full coverage or liability only can save you money and ensure you're protected in every situation. 3. Homeowners or renters insurance. Whether you own your home or rent, protecting your personal property and liability is crucial. Homeowners insurance covers your dwelling, personal belongings, and liability in case someone gets hurt on your property. It often includes additional living expenses if you're displaced due to damage. Renters insurance, while not covering the building itself, protects your belongings and provides liability coverage as well. Many renters skip this thinking they have nothing valuable, but replacing furniture, electronics, or clothing after a fire or theft can be financially devastating without it. These policies are surprisingly affordable and often required by landlords or lenders. 4. Life insurance. Life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones in the event of your death. There are two main types: term life, which offers coverage for a specific period and is generally affordable, and whole life or permanent insurance, which includes an investment component and lasts your entire life. Life insurance is especially important if you have dependents, debts like a mortgage, or anyone relying on your income. Understanding how much coverage you need and the pros and cons of term versus whole life policies helps you choose the right protection and avoid overpaying for features you don't need. 5. Disability insurance. Disability insurance is often overlooked, yet it's one of the most vital types. It replaces a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. Short-term policies cover weeks to months, while long-term disability can provide income for years or even decades. The reality is that you're more likely to face a disability in your working years than you are to die prematurely. Many employers offer basic coverage, but it's often not enough. Understanding benefit amounts, waiting periods, and how disability is defined in the policy can make or break your financial stability if you're ever unable to work. 6. Long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance covers services like nursing homes, assisted living, and in-home care for people with chronic illnesses or disabilities. As people live longer, the need for extended care increases, and these services can be prohibitively expensive. Medicare does not cover long-term care beyond short rehab stays, and Medicaid only kicks in after you've depleted most of your assets. Long-term care insurance helps preserve your financial independence and can relieve the burden on family caregivers. Understanding your policy's benefit period, daily benefit amount, elimination period, and inflation protection is key to ensuring adequate coverage. 7. Umbrella insurance. Umbrella insurance acts as an extra layer of liability protection that kicks in after the limits of your auto, homeowners, or renters insurance are exhausted. It covers legal fees, settlements, and judgments if you're sued for something like a major car accident or an injury on your property. This is particularly important for high net worth individuals, business owners, or anyone with assets worth protecting. Even if you're not wealthy, umbrella insurance is relatively inexpensive and can shield your savings and future income from legal claims that could otherwise devastate your finances. 8. Pet insurance. With the rising costs of veterinary care, pet insurance is becoming more popular among pet owners. These policies help cover the costs of accidents, illnesses, surgeries, and sometimes even routine wellness care for dogs and cats. While not essential for everyone, pet insurance can prevent the heart-wrenching decision of putting down a beloved animal because treatment is unaffordable. Plans vary widely in coverage, reimbursement rates, and exclusions for pre-existing conditions, so understanding the fine print is vital. For people with multiple pets or breeds prone to health issues, this type of insurance can be a game changer. 9. Travel insurance. If you travel frequently or are planning a significant trip, travel insurance provides protection against trip cancellations, lost luggage, medical emergencies abroad, and other disruptions. This is especially critical when traveling internationally, as your regular health insurance may not apply overseas. Some credit cards offer travel protection, but dedicated policies often offer broader coverage. Understand what's covered: trip interruption, evacuation, delays, or missed connections, and whether it's worth the cost based on your travel plans. In times of global uncertainty or if your trip includes multiple reservations, having travel insurance can bring peace of mind. 10. Identity theft insurance. In a digital world where data breaches are increasingly common, identity theft insurance helps cover the costs of restoring your identity. This includes expenses like legal fees, lost wages, and mailing costs associated with clearing your name. Some policies also provide access to credit monitoring, fraud resolution services, and assistance in recovering stolen funds. While this insurance won't prevent identity theft, it can dramatically ease the recovery process. If you're already subscribed to credit monitoring services, check whether they include identity theft coverage. For those concerned about cyber threats, this type of insurance can provide additional protection. Insurance isn't just about checking boxes, it's about preparing for the unexpected and giving yourself peace of mind. Each type of insurance serves a unique purpose, and understanding the top 10 most important ones ensures you're covered from all angles. From health and auto to life and long-term care, insurance protects not just your wallet, but also your family, your assets, and your future. While it may be tempting to view insurance as an unnecessary expense, the real cost comes when you need coverage and don't have it. By learning what each policy offers and tailoring it to your lifestyle, you can create a personal safety net that keeps you financially secure no matter what life throws your way.